Very good morning. Welcome to Financial Freedom Show. I am CS Sudhir. Mr. Karthik has posted a question on the Financial Freedom app. He says, is gold a good investment option? Many people buy gold assuming that it's a great investment option. Let us look at the history of gold price in India. Back in 1964, 10 gram of gold was available at about 64 rupees. People were paying just 64 rupees to buy 10 gram of gold. Today, the same 10 gram of gold, 24 carat, is worth about 52,000 rupees. This is the current rate now. 52,000 rupees for 24 carat gold. 1963 to 2001, 63 rupees became 4,300 rupees. But just see the growth it has had between 2001 it was 4,300 rupee, and 2011 it became 26,400. It grew by literally 5 times in 10 years. And 2011 to 2019 it was only 25,000, right? About 26,400 in 2011, and it grew to about 35,000 in 2019. But then if you look at it from 2019 to 2020, because of this recession, because of the COVID, it moved up to 52,000 rupees. Now let us understand why this happened. See, gold price is not about a fundamental value. It's all about demand and supply. In the stock market, the share price goes up for 2 reasons. One, demand and supply. Second one, the fundamentals of a company. The company is making more profit. Company has invented a new product. Company has got a new patent. Company has ventured into new market. Company has raised new funds. Company has an amazing CEO. Company has got a new license. Things like this, right? That's why the company's share price goes up. At the same time, the company's share price may also go up because of less supply or more demand, right? But in case of gold, the price of the gold is largely based on, or I would say only based on, demand and supply. If the demand increases, supply reduces, price goes up. So during the recession period, what happens? People who have invested in stocks, they take out the money from the stock market and they put that money into gold because they consider gold as a safer investment than stock market during this time. That's why the gold price goes up. And though the governments have done enough to regulate these kind of basically informal gold purchase or unregulated gold purchase, people still do that. Many a times we have seen people converting their black money into white using gold. That's why I want you to suggest that you should not be investing more than 5% of your investable amount in gold, which means if you have a total investable amount of 1 crore rupees, don't invest more than 5 lakh into gold, because gold is not going to give you such a good return in the long run if you consider that. And many a times, unfortunately, people consider investing in gold jewelry as an investment. That's not correct. I'll tell you why. When you buy gold jewelry, as soon as you buy, you lose 30% value there because of making charges, wastage charges and all that. That's why I don't want you to invest in gold jewelry. If you really want to invest in gold, buy gold ETFs or digital gold or probably gold coins, nothing beyond that, right? So please consider this. This is why on Financial Freedom app, we have various courses on personal finance. These courses will help you understand which is the right investment. These courses will help you understand the difference between investing in gold, investing in stocks, investing in mutual funds. Please watch these courses on Financial Freedom app. We have about 56 courses on personal finance, career, business and farming. Also, we have courses on life skills. Please watch these courses, and if you have any questions on these subjects, post your questions on the Financial Freedom app. I will answer your questions in my next episode. Thanks for watching. Be wise, get rich.